2002 Chevy Camaro V6. This is his daily. He needs it back on the road, so he's like, we got you, man. We can make it sound good again. So it comes down on each side from the manifold, as you guys can see there and there. Wise into a single. Then we put him a catalytic converter because somebody cut it off. So we put him a new converter on it, a high flow right there. Then there's his O2 sensor, mid pipe. Then we ran it from the mid pipe out the back, over the rear axle, into a Cherry Bomb Pro, part number 7405, made in the good old USA, as you guys can see right there. Then we got him a tailpipe out the back and a resonated black tip, black rear, chrome front. As you guys can see, it's resonated on the inside, just to clean up the sound a little bit more. Old school tip, old school Camaro. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And there will be a link in the description for this. Part number 7405. Chevy Camaro V6. Cherry Bomb Pro. A resonator, I think. Let's see when it warms up. That's not bad. Here's sound decibels. Right at 98.5. Again. Just rev it a little bit less. Go ahead and back it up. And then we got this beautiful Z06 Corvette. He's a good friend of mine. He just came to say hi. 86 years old, guys. Even at 86, you need to live your dreams, and he's always had a Corvette. And he's like, I don't like the new ones. I like this one. He likes this body style. Let's see if he gets on it. Enjoy. Back to the V6 Camaro. Yeah, it's sounding better the more it warms up. Not bad. Got a little bit quieter, actually. Chevy Camaro V6. He's still working on it too. He's gonna get it painted next. I'll let you guys hear on the inside.